Hi guys, today I want to make a quick review of my new watch. It's Quartz Eagle Ray from Phoibos. The model is GMT PX 023B in blue color. Uh, so first of all, why I choose Quartz? I was looking for a reliable watch that you can use daily without need to maintain it, to keep an eye on is it accurate or not, in order the watch that you can just take from the shelf, put on and go whenever you want. So, and in my understanding, this is only can be achieved from the Quartz watches. And I was looking for something special because of course you can take Casio Duro, for example, and it's a perfect piece. I have one of mine, and today we are going to make a comparison between these two. But also I want to have something special, something with history, something with a little bit different image. And uh, when it, so today I'm gonna to compare these two. So I have Phoibos Eagle Ray and Casio Duro. These are two watches that I have. So Casio comes in black color with black dial and black bezel, and Phoibos comes in with blue dial and some kind of black bezel. I was looking for a reliable dive quartz watch, and at first I bought Casio Duro, but then I wanted something more fancy, more like different. So what I can say, let's start. What I can say in comparison. So let's start with the package first. So it all comes with the package. So Phoibos sends you quite nice box. So it's a black box with a model, and inside you have very nice Phoibos branded case for the watch. When you open it, the watch is inside, and here you have like this warranty cards and other stuff. So it's really soft, nice, and it's if you want a present watch to someone else, that's really good option. So it looks really good and not too expensive, but not too cheap. It's good. However, Casio sends you only a small cotton box, and watch comes inside, so it's nothing special. It's very regular box, not fancy. So if you want to make a present, it doesn't feel like a valued piece. So, but in Phoibos case, it's much more better. So when it comes to the price, so Casio Duro you can buy now on Casio website, which I did, for 90 euros. And Phoibos, these Phoibos I took from one of the resellers websites in Italy, and it costed me a little bit more than 200 euros. Well, when it comes to specs, Casio Duro, we have around 44 millimeters. Yeah, it's 44 millimeters watch, quite big one actually. So, and you have mineral glass here and stainless steel case, which is actually quite nice. The finishing is relatively good, so it's good, yeah. And we have a crown that is screwed, so you have to unscrew it if you need to adjust something. When it comes to bezel, the bezel is really heavy to rotate. It's really heavy to rotate, and it's almost impossible to rotate while it's on your hand. But the sound is quite good. There is a little bit of like lift here, a little bit, but it's not critical. I mean, for the price, for 90 euros, this is really good piece. The design is good and clean, and I like the finishing. So the finishing is really good because it's very accurate, and it doesn't contradict. Each part of the watch doesn't contradict another part. Well, if you take it on hand, so it's for my hand 17 centimeters. It's quite big. When we come to Phoibos, so at first, of course, it's totally different design. So it's like it's another feeling of this watch. So it is a compressor style. It's not a classic diver watch. It still has a bezel, but it's almost useless. Uh, I will explain why. So for more than 200 euros, so this watch is twice more expensive than Casio, we get really unique design. We have GMT version. We have sapphire glass, sapphire crystal on the top. It is flat, but it gives really nice volume to the watch. I don't know how they do it. Maybe it's all because of bezel. So, and yeah, the date window here, it's much more bigger than we have on Casio, and it's more accurate. I don't know why, but it just like it feels this way. Yeah, so when it comes to the bezel, you can use the bezel. You need to unscrew this crown. Yeah, and you can rotate the bezel. It rotates in different directions. It rotates without any sound. There is just a spring for this crown, which makes a little bit of sound in some positions, but the bezel goes without any sound. It's quite nice and solid, but still you will not get these clicks, nice clicks from the bezel. So why you cannot use the bezel? It's useless because this is GMT bezel, so you cannot use it to count minutes, for example. And also, if you move it, you move your GMT time. But this actually makes no sense because with this crown, you can change GMT arrow position. So for me, it's unclear why Phoibos did this bezel movable. So it's just like waste of money and waste of passion. When it comes to finishing, the watch has quite interesting finishing, which I personally do not like. It's matte stainless steel with shiny stainless steel on the back and shiny bezel ring here. So I don't know why, but I don't like this combination because when we look at Casio, everything feels solid and like natural. So we have stainless steel here, and they have like polished stainless steel and satin stainless steel, but it still feels okay. But here, the finishing is absolutely different. It feels more like something is wrong. It feels not like stainless steel. I don't know why. And this is back cap for me. It seems too shiny because I actually put it on only once, and it's only one time it has some scratches on it. I mean, how? It's very very strange. But the design of the watch is insane. So if we coming up to the design, so it's very good. I like it. It gives you a nice feeling that like a pirate, that something special is on your hand. I don't know how to explain this, but it's very good. Yeah, and also this watch gives you 300 meters water resistance. However, Casio gives only 200. Yeah. So when we talking about style of the Casio, it's a regular, basic diver watch that is very like common design. It is similar to a lot of diver watches. So if you have only one, I think that's can be a good choice because you can wear it anywhere with anything and it will look okay. But if you want to be a little bit special, you should definitely look for something different. And Phoibos in this case, I think, best choice, one of the best choices. Um, well, when it comes to the strap, so this Phoibos comes with very nice polymer strap. It's perforated, and inside it has this nice structure. So it's very comfortable. I like it. I like to wear it, and it feels like it have some expansive feeling, you know, because it's not just a rubber, it's some kind of polymer, and it's very nicely finished. So the strap is really good. The clip on the end of the strip is also, you see, it's matte. Yeah. So when it comes to Casio, this strap is, well, it's basically okay. I cannot say that it's bad, but it's not excellent. I mean, it's quite hard. It's not very comfortable, but it's still fine. I mean, I wear it for several days and I didn't feel any inconvenience. Just maybe this is relevant for all the straps of this type. In the end of the day, when your hand become bigger, you need to switch to, for example, to one dot bigger, but it's still fine. But definitely Phoibos provides you much more better experience. Yeah, when it comes to the size of the watch, so Casio is 44 millimeters and Phoibos is only 41 millimeters. Yeah, so, and it's for my hand, for smaller hand, it's much more convenient because I have like this big bone here, so I try to cover it with the watch, and for my hand it's much more convenient. So I like it more, how it fits more, and it doesn't like it doesn't provide you any inconvenience with hand movement, because it doesn't have this crown that comes to your hand when you put it up. So for me, this is definitely the choice. So what I would say in the end. So I really like this watch. I like the dial. I like sapphire crystal. I like the strap. But what I don't like is this weird finishing that doesn't provide you a feeling of stainless steel. It's gray. I mean, it doesn't feel like stainless steel. Maybe it's covered with paint, or I don't know why, but it doesn't give you like this nice feeling of expensive thing. However, all other stuff like these crowns, you see, this is nice Phoibos logo. This back um, back cap, uh, however, it's too shiny for me. Like, I don't like it really much, but it still provides you nice feeling of expensive thing. Everything except the case. I don't know why they did it, but the watch is still good. I mean, in the end of all, it's still good. The strap is good, the dial is good, the feeling of the watch when it's on your hand is really nice. However, if you have only one and you are looking for a reliable diver that you can, in more classic way, wear everywhere, so you don't want to be a pirate or you don't want to be special, so you should definitely take Casio Duro. It's like, I think it's the best quartz for the price, the best diver quartz for the price that you can actually find. So I think, guys, this is all that I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. So if you have any questions, you can ask me about this Phoibos, because it's I think it's unusual to have any kind of reviews for quartz watches, but here you can see it in details and understand do you need it or not. So thank you and bye bye.